So, the folks at Revolution have recently released FashionGen, and FashionGen is an AI-powered clothing design and texturing tool built right inside of Character Creator. And this smart AI styling tool lets you design, modify, and enhance digital clothing for 3D characters without needing complex texturing skills, essentially giving creators the tools they need to turn basic outfits into detailed, realistic, and unique designs in seconds. FashionGen allows you to visually design clothing from fabric, patterns, clothes to details, aging, and also decals, all within a single assisted workflow. FashionGen is currently available totally for free, as this is a bonus tool that you get once you purchase any eligible Smart Clothes content pack, such as the Casual 20 or Workwear 12. FashionGen isn't a plugin that you get to buy separately. However, once you add a Smart Clothes pack in your account would receive a serial number for FashionGen automatically. And we all know that Revolution offers one of the largest character content ecosystem in the industry, and this extensive library of assets empowers creators to build characters quickly while maintaining professional production quality. And right inside of Character Creator, there is a built-in outfit system that simply manages how clothing get to be combined, fitted, and simulated on characters, ensuring a clean visual and production-ready result across different pipelines. And having these two in mind alongside FashionGen, creators can leverage on Revolution's ecosystem and content skill to produce amazing looking design pieces. And here are some very impressive features that comes with FashionGen. First off, you can easily create and generate AI-based pattern textures directly on garments to quickly explore and iterate various clothing designs. So you can easily add that visual depth and individuality to that garment that you're making. And if you're thinking about referencing, you can of course go ahead and reference a particular image and use it as a guide to create a nice seamless stylable pattern which can be perfect for any context. So from classic plates all the way to geometrical shapes, pattern generation and creation with FashionGen is super easy. And if you're looking for color inspiration, the Smart Color Sampler instantly allows you to explore endless color combinations with a single click. As with this, you can simply apply colors from different clothing areas to achieve fast and consistent styling. And the Color Sampler automatically samples swatches from random points in an image, or you can simply rely on the pinpoint guides that comes with this to pick colors manually. There's also the Flexible Mask Control, and the Flexible Mask Control ships with two things: the color mask and the masking brush. Now, the flexible color masking opens up a new world of possibilities, as Revolution Smart Clothes always comes included with ID color maps that segment each garment into distinct regions. And this is nice as it gives fine-grained control to that particular region, as this allows designers to assign different materials and patterns to each area, enabling precise material and pattern distribution. On the other hand, if you work with the masking brush offers a complete freedom to paint any shape and refine edges with precision, as this gives you that option of being creatively expressive, especially in irregular areas, or maybe you like to add a bit of artistic pattern control or subtle transitions in your design. And in terms of adding extra wear and tear on your garment overall, this is also super possible with the Magic Brush, as you can now add both subtle and exaggerated details with the Magic Brush. You can simply use the brush to add both stains, creases, zippers, and even patches with precision, as all you need to do is simply paint across the garment where you like that specific effect to appear, and it would appear right there. FashionGen also ships with some nice generated effects, and these effects are meant to enhance the visual details of the fabric that you're working on, as FashionGen intelligently generates curvature maps from 3D meshes and normal data to produce a nice natural edge-wearing effect. More so, if you like to guide this by simply using prompts or maybe using some curvature maps, you can also go ahead and do that. And similar to the effect, you can also do some nice cool branding with your personalized logos and custom images. As with the layer editor, you can simply layer various images, logos, theme badges to create that perfect uniform or perfect outlook that you want for your garment. And adding these custom decals to personalize the clothing gives that very unique feel, as this simply tailors each element of your design to fit the idea of what you're trying to make. And if you're thinking about generating decals, FashionGen allows you to do just that, as this lets you generate fashion-forward decals in seconds while you still retain full control over every detail and design decision. And the materials you can generate can range from leather, rubber, metal, print, embroidery, and so on. And because of how this is built, you can easily edit, reiterate, and rebuild your prompts or generations to match the idea that you've got for the garment. And with all of this put together, the folks at Revolution have also gone ahead to create the live link pipeline that allows you to flexibly go back and forth with various design tools. So just in case you like to do some nice edits with your favorite photo editing tool, this is also super possible, giving you the option of making that texture edit in your favorite image editing tool and see your result reflect instantly in FashionGen. And speaking about clothing and garments that you can work with, FashionGen specifically works with smart clothes, and smart clothes are specialized types of clothing content in Character Creator, which is designed for advanced non-destructive customization. They provide greater control over garment shapes, layering, and materials, making them super ideal for FashionGen workflows. Now, if you're thinking about exploring the cool features that comes with FashionGen, then I would definitely recommend that you use Smart Clothes, as Smart Clothes is the new standard for customizable digital clothing, as they offer artists the flexibility needed for high-quality 3D clothing. And unlike traditional assets with static meshes and fixed materials, Smart Clothes includes adaptive cloth morphing and color masking. And so it does come with multiple layer refinement, morph adjustment, which means that garments can be reshaped through morph controls, enabling changes such as stocking, hem length, neckline styles, color forms, and so on. So if you're thinking about exploring FashionGen, then of course you can explore by simply using Smart Clothes. And right now on the marketplace, there's a couple of Smart Clothes packs which you can use to do a lot of things, from the casual 20 to the workwear, and so on. At the same time, there's also the Fabric 100, which is a ready-to-use fabric library for instantly applying materials and finding fabric styles in Character Creator garments. So this is it. For those who like to take a look at this, then you can simply go ahead and explore all of the cool features that are now available with FashionGen. And for those who like to explore Character Creator or iClone, you can simply go over to the link in the description where you can explore Character Creator and iClone. So this is it. For those who like to take a look at this, or possibly you like to explore some of the cool products that the folks at Revolution have put together, links to this is going to be in the description, so do well to check it out. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section, and until I see you guys in the next one, peace.